Okay guys, welcome to today's video. We both made houses out of Kit Kat bars and so many other candies. And we're going to show you what they're made of. And at the end, you're going to comment down below whose house you think is better. Braylon and Caleb's gingerbread house. Let's see it. Ooh, look at this gingerbread house.
And it is called
Sugar Rush Valley. So look at all the sugar. We got M&M's.
and
Skittles.
a lot of Kit Kats actually, because it's a Kit Kat house and a very bad door with a Christmas tree. That's our Christmas tree.
No, it was like I played last night.
Yeah, look at the roof.
Nice
And
house.
it has a surprise. Doesn't it have our gingerbread house? Okay, here we go. Show us.
24 hours to go and do this. And Sean's like, well,
So where's the pathway?
this thing, go get this thing. He's like, no,
Okay, where's the Christmas tree?
And say, up until 2
Ooh,
days
does it
ago,
have pink
this was
sprinkles
your
on it?
present.
Yes.
Okay, and let's show them the sides and the top. It's a pretty nice house, right? Where's the garden?
Yours last. Right there.
No, yeah, that's the garden. What do you have to say about ours, Caleb?
It's so bad. Vote for Braylon and Caleb's.
No, go for Kaya and Corset.
Vote for us. Comment down below whose house is the best.